Good afternoon, guys. Today we have 3 cruise ships in town. Today. You see them right there against each other? And you get 2 safari coming here with tourists. Yeah. 3 cruise ships in town. Hey! That's two tourist thing part of right there. They overlooking town where you have the cruise ship. You see that? 2 of them. It's a picture. Go. You alright, Glenn? Just go and tell them business in peace. Get up and walking. Yeah, run taxi. You show me pull off. You see how far me pull off? Well, guys, bye-bye. Take care. Have a good afternoon. God love you and so do I. Don't forget to look me up at my YouTube channel. Ada the Lover. Like, subscribe and share. Today sun hot and the place is so breezy. See the 3 cruise ships down there? Alright, bye-bye. Bye-bye, folks.